Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about one of the most important elements that you need to do to ensure to get the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about. I'm going to go in great detail step by step and give you the complete breakdown and guide that you require to ensure that you can start selling on Amazon. Amazon is one of the biggest places right now to sell, and obviously in today's time and period we know this for a fact because Amazon is the place that we can find anything and everything. The niche is absolutely huge. They have everything in every single niche, and obviously that gives us an opportunity to enter this particular market. We are moving from the traditional methodology of business to the new 21st century methodology. When the age of the internet, we're able to buy, sell, trade anything and everything, and you can do that from the comfort of your home, and you can break away from the rat race of 9-to-5s and become independent financially and live the dream that you always wanted to live and get the opportunity of a lifetime. So listen to this video, watch this video, understand this video, and if you have any questions, guys, you can always comment in the comment section below because I'm more than happy to help you, guide you, support you, and assist you in this journey that you're about to take. The first thing that you need to do once you land on Amazon is head over and become an Amazon seller, and to do that you can start selling with Amazon, the fastest growing and preferred acquisitional channel for over half of their multi-channel sellers. And the reason why you need to do that because Amazon literally is the easiest way to sell any product that you want. But before you do that, guys, remember one major tip: that you need to do your research in order to find the right products to sell to your customers and to ensure that your products that you select are products that will definitely be evergreen and will be able to sell anyone and everyone and anywhere in the world. And to do that, all you need to do is click on sign up, and once you do that, you'll go to the next page. Now obviously there are three items, 3 points, 3 indicators that you have to keep in mind. The first one is that you need to collect relevant personal information to compile with the identification and verification measures so they can require additional information or documents later, meaning you have to provide your information and documents. This is crucial, and the reason why this is crucial is because Amazon is a place where everything is verified. Every single seller is known to Amazon to ensure that the quality of work is always very high, and the products that you buy or anyone buys for that matter is sold by someone who's professional and can be contacted. So there is no scams that run on Amazon. The second is that you will verify your submission, meaning they will be asked to meet with an Amazon associate to verify your submission, and this helps keep Amazon a trusted shopping destination. So once you do that, you might get contacted by someone from Amazon to ask you a couple of questions to ensure that you're an actual person that is interested in selling on Amazon. And after you've done all of that, the third step is that they will receive all the required information and is going to be verified. And once the verification is done, you can start selling. But the things you have to keep in mind is that you need to have a valid government issued ID card or a passport, and a recent bank statement or credit card statement, and a chargeable credit card and a mobile phone. Once you have all these items, then you can start selling on Amazon. And to do that, you have to click on begin. Once you click on begin, you can start. But before you do that, there are certain elements I want to speak about, and these are the tips that I'm going to give you guys to ensure that you do not make the mistakes that hundreds and thousands of different entrepreneurs tend to make once they start selling on Amazon. You need to have a plan, and you need to choose a selling plan. With the individual plan for Amazon, you'll pay $0.99, meaning 99 cents every time you sell an item, and the professional plan costs $39.99 for a month. And no matter how many items you sell for both the plans, Amazon collects a referral fee on each sale, which is a percentage of the total transaction and varies from product categories. And obviously you can check out their pricing range for the summary and selling fees, meaning you need to understand what your retained profit is and what your total profit is and what are the fees that is going to be deducted by Amazon, because Amazon is the place that guides you, supports you, and assists you, and for that they charge you a tiny little fee for every single item that you sell. But you can always upgrade, but I recommend everyone that watches my videos to always start off with a low cost, and as you start growing and become a massive business on Amazon, then you can always upgrade to more plans that are available. You need to consider your selling strategy, meaning resellers find popular products that already exist and offer them to Amazon stores, and you can do that by researching on TikTok, Facebook, and social media. There are hundreds and thousands of products that are available that people are promoting promoting, advertising, and you can take the benefit from that advertising and get those particular products on your Amazon stores and start selling them. And especially with Christmas just around the corner, you can ensure that you get products that people would want to give their loved ones, because those are products that will definitely sell in today's time and period. And you can have brand owners manufacture their own products or source goods to sell under a private label, which is also available. And the perfect launch is going to be a 5-step for your first 90 days. Firstly, you have to create an Amazon seller account, which I already talked to you about. And you can always go mobile with the use of the mobile seller app to track sales and fulfill orders and find products to sell and respond to customer questions and capture and edit professionally quality product photos and create listing all from your phone. They're available on Google Play. They're also available on the App Store on Apple, and you can get it right away. And you can add different products, and obviously there are different categories that are available for Amazon device accessories, Amazon Kindle, beauty, books, business products, and even beauty tools and accessories, cameras and photos and cell phones and clothing and accessories, with electronic accessories and fashion and jewelry. There is endless, guys, but you need to understand the niche that you want to get into, and you need to understand the research that you need to do to understand what product to put on your Amazon. And once you have done all of that, you'll be able to create a strategy for your business. Now, obviously, you have your product listing details, which is crucial. And to start selling a product on Amazon, you need to create a product listing in the Seller Central and or via the APIs that are available. And obviously, the product listing must include a product identifier, the GTIN, or an SKU, and the offer details, including the plan, the product condition, the available quantity, and the shipping options, and the product details like the name, the brand, the category, the description, and the images, keywords, and search terms to help buyers find your product. And obviously, once you've done all of that, you can always head over to the product detail page, which is crucial. You need to put the title, the image, the variations, the bullet points, the featured offers, other offers, and the descriptions. And once you have done all of that, you will start attracting customers. And once the product goes live on the Amazon stores, there are a number of things that you can do to attract customers. The Amazon flywheel describes the method for driving growth. And obviously, by providing fast shipping, advertising for your offers, setting competitive prices, you'll be able to get more people to your stores. And obviously, if you have a strong social media presence on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, you'll be able to convert your viewers into lifelong loyal customers that buy products from your Amazon store. And obviously, after your first sale, you're going to get customer reviews, which are crucial. And people do not understand this particular point is very essential in order to make a successful business, because a happy customer is a loyal customer, and a loyal customer is a returning customer. So you got to keep your customers happy, loyal, so they return and buy more products from your store. Once you've done all of that, you can grow your business and stay successful. And you can set a high bar for Amazon sellers, because they want to provide a seamless, trustworthy, delightful shopping experience for customers. Now, guys, once you've done all of that, you'll be able to get a lot of money, and you'll be able to get financially free and break away from the 9-to-5s that you've been stuck in, and live the dream that you always wanted to live, and get the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about. And combining all these elements together, you'll be able to create a successful business for yourself and for your loved ones. And that is the reason why we're making all these amazing videos for you. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your Facebook, on your Twitter, on your Instagram, and even on your WhatsApp, so more people can find out how simple, straightforward, and easy it is to sell on Amazon. And the amount of support and assistance that we provide and Amazon provide, you will always be in safe hands. So stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.